Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you some really cool tips and tricks on how to organize your desktop on your Mac. As we get started, I do want to reiterate really the purpose of saving to a desktop is for short-term, maybe temporary storage. I tell my teachers, if you have something you really need to save or you're going to need to use this long term, then you probably want to make sure that you're saving this to like an iCloud storage system, because if you save it to the desktop, the worries of that is that if something happens to your Mac, you spill coffee on it, it has to be re-imaged, things on your desktop are only saved on your computer, so you may lose them. Now, with that all being said, we do know that the desktop is a nice, quick, easy way to save things, and I utilize it myself for the purpose of things that I'm only going to use maybe temporarily, that I don't want to have to save up into Box because I know I'm going to delete it shortly. Or I also use it a lot when I'm making some kind of a project. So I've got multiple pictures or documents that I need to access, but no, I will get rid of that once the final product is made. I'm going to open up this to my desktop, and you'll see right now, you're probably going, "Ooh, Lisa, this looks pretty organized. It looks like you don't have a lot of folders or items on your desktop. It's easy to see." Looks can be deceiving. I have things organized, and I'm going to show you how I did that. There's truly two good ways to organize on your desktop. You can do this through number one, folders, number two, through something called stacks. And I'm so excited to share this with you because anytime I do share this little tip that people aren't familiar with, they really like it, and it really makes a big difference to them in organization, efficiency, and productivity. So we're going to start with folders. Most of you probably know how to make a folder, but I'm going to give you a review on that. To make a folder, you'll do the 2-finger or secondary click on your trackpad, and you'll see new folder. It'll pop up over here, and you'll see it says Untitled Folder. Then you'll see when it's gray like this, you can just start to type in the name of your folder, and we're going to call this organizing because that's what we're doing here. You hit return, and then now you have your folder. And when you have a document here, you simply just drag and drop it right in there. Pretty simple way to get organized. So that's folders. Now I'm going to show you the second way to organize, and this one may be more unfamiliar to people. And this is called organizing by stacks. If you do another secondary click here, you'll see that I'm using stacks right now. I'm presenting to you, my desktop looks really organized. If I undo that, wow, right? And some of you may be saying, yeah, that's what my desktop looks like. That is really overwhelming, not very organized, and could be embarrassing, right? When you're presenting or people see your screen. I'm going to take it back to stacks here again. Anywhere on my desktop, I'm going to right click and I'm going to say use stacks. Voila, look at that. If you'll notice over here, here's everything that's stacked. These were things that were not in folders. And I have organized these stacks by the kind. I like all of my movies to be in one place, all of my screenshots to be in one stack, my documents, my PDFs, etc. That's just how I like to organize. You can also organize by the date, when you created them, etc., and by tags. And I'll show you how to color code by tags in just a second. Then once they're in a stack, you may be saying, well, what if I just need to look at all of maybe the PDF documents without opening all of the other stacked items? You can just simply come up to whatever you want to open, and if I click it, then it'll kind of put everything that was a PDF out here on my desktop. And you'll see if I want to close that and stack it back up, you're going to look for this arrow, and boom, there they are. Now you may be wondering, when do I stack? When do I use folders? And that truly is personal preference. I use stacks a lot when I know I'm not, like for screenshots when I'm going to make a movie, I know that I don't want to take the time to move those into a folder because I'm really only going to use them and have them on my desktop maybe a day or two. So I like the stacks for things that maybe are just really, really temporary and don't need to go into a folder. So now I'm going to show you how you can even customize your organization a little bit more on your desktop. I'm going to do a secondary click again. You can do this on a folder or on your item. It will work exactly the same. So I'm going to come over here to this movie. I'm going to do a secondary click, and I want to show you these cool options about how you can customize some more. You, of course, can come to the item when you're done with it, move it to the trash. You can rename it right from here. You, of course, can duplicate, and you can take a quick look, and I'm going to show you what this looks like. This gives you a quick preview of what you have there, which is kind of nice. You can copy it and you can share it directly from your desktop. So if you're sitting next to someone and you want to airdrop it, it works like that. And what's awesome is this notes. You can drag it right into notes, which is another level of organization. And because this is a video, it gives you the option of photos. So this little drop down will look a little different depending on what file you have open. So if it's a picture or video, of course, you're going to have this add to photo option. It'll look a little different if it's a PDF or a document. You'll just have these top three. All right, now we're here to tags, and I told you we would talk about that. What you can also do is you can tag things, kind of think of it as grouping into subjects. If I'm going to make a Seesaw video and maybe I have an article I found on Seesaw, maybe I have a video, a picture, a PDF, and I want to save those and sort those into a stack just based on that subject of Seesaw. I can put a tag here. We'll come back out and you'll see the little blue tag next to this iMovie. And so when I did stacks, I could come change that if I had everything tagged, and I could group that stack by the tag. All right, you guys, so that was how you organize your desktop, taking it from messy to organized in just a couple of clicks. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.